How to order replacement checks from Wells Fargo account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to order replacement checks from Wells Fargo. So first thing first, just head over to your Wells Fargo if you're using online browser just like me, and make sure you have successfully logged in or signed into your account, and just navigate to the account services, which is often found within the menu or under the accounts tab. And once you look at that, just select the order checks by simply choosing the order checks option. And once you do all of that, just select the checking account for which you want to the checks, and simply complete the online order form, providing necessary information and confirming your details. So if you're using mobile app, you just have to click on the menu button, and which is often represented by three horizontal lines, and simply select the account services from the menu option as I mentioned previously, and choose the order checks and select account for the check order, and just complete the order by simply following the on-screen instruction. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.